Alright, you're never gonna guess what we got off on this dive. I never thought it would be possible to get surf and turf underwater. This is really exciting. And I did get a video of it underwater too, just for you, Richie. Alright, I'm not sure what that is. Alright, so Brian's fighting a lobster. Okay, that one might be too small. He's fighting this one
I got
though.
one about the same size, you might have to go back.
Yeah, so he's fighting this one. Alright, I look to my right. A whole freaking package of prosciutto.
Oh my.
I mean, like, not even open. Do you believe it?
What's the due date?
I mean, I think we're
what is the
good.
date on it?
Sell by 3/14/20. Only partly expired, but it's got salt water. Do you believe that? No, I'm the artifact hunter.
Oh yeah, prosciutto. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, that's good. Maybe it's open. Oh, what's that prosciutto? Look. Oh, Taylor, we got Taylor. I think that's getting my gun.